Hello guys, thank you for tuning in to today's helpful how-to video, and that's pretty badass. Them seats fold up, did not know that, but we got an 01 Dodge here, and we're going to be showing you how to remove your front seats in case you want to replace them, or if you just got another project, car or something, and you want to use them in. I'm going to be using these most likely in my C30, if not I'll be selling them. But either way, the first thing you want to do is come behind right here, and you got two inner bolts here. You got two bolts behind here and here. You want to remove those two bolts. That's the first thing you want to do. You can scoot this seat forward and back. It's manual, so it makes it very easy to get to the bolts and stuff. Then after you get those two removed, you can come up front, scoot the seat frontwards, and you got two bolts on the inside here. And I will let you know the bolt size in just a minute. By the way, as I said before, the size we're going to let you know is a 15 on this truck. If no one ain't messed with your seats, it should be a 15. So go ahead and loosen them 4 bolts on this side of the seat that I showed you, and then we go around on the next side once we get done over here. Okay guys, my seat's a little tore right here, but I can actually fix this pretty decent. Just seam it or put a patch on it. Ain't too worried about that. It's better than what I got. I like this seat a lot better. Now, you got 2 bolts in the same places on the front of the seat on the driver's side, and you got 2 bolts on the back seat on the same side. You want to remove these 4 bolts also. Don't forget to undo all your plug-ins and stuff under this model seats. They do have like AC and stuff under them, and they do got like a seatbelt light and stuff. So you want to definitely unplug all that.
If it's double cab. If it's single cab, you won't have that trouble.
Okay, take his advice. Once you guys get all the bolts undone, you can get a buddy, and he can help you lift the seat out. Now these seats are extremely heavy, and as you can tell, I'm out of breath. I don't know if that's from how heavy it was or I'm out of shape, but that's how you pull your seats out of a Dodge 1500. So drop me a like if you enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, check my channel out for more content. Leave me a comment. I enjoy hearing from you. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.